In this video I will show you how to use Space ID Web3 domains with MetaMask wallet. To use it, you need to have MetaMask. Let's say we already have it and some tokens. Then we need to install Snap through Space ID Snap page or MetaMask Snap directory. Let's use Space ID Snap page. Click Connect MetaMask. Then again connect MetaMask and connect button, then approve. Snap is installed. Okay, choose account, next, approve. That's it. Let's try to use our .bnb domain. I will try to send Space ID token to my another address. Click send. Recipient address is resolution is worked fine. I will choose this my address, then I will choose max, continue, approve. Let's wait. Transaction is confirmed. Let's try to use Arbitrum domain. Choose network, Arbitrum, and I have some tokens here. Let's try to use PenPy token. Choose PenPy, click send, and .arp. Works great. Choose address, click how much tokens I want to send, then click continue, approve. And transaction is confirmed.